Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Darul Uloom Deoband. Darul Uloom Deoband is located in the Saharanpur district, Uttar Pradesh state. Let's see now.
أشهد أن محمدًا رسول أشهد أن محمدًا رسول